Byron made $38,700 using this method, and another individual earned $28,896 through the same approach. On top of that, someone else managed to bring in $2,437 by following a similar strategy. The incredible thing is that you can also make money using this exact method, and all you need is a free ChatGPT account and Google Drive. As I began to explore this further, I was shocked at just how many people are using this model to earn substantial incomes. For example, there's a woman named Jasmine who made $2,493, and another individual who made an impressive $40,200. What's even more exciting is that you don't need to sell physical products or deal with shipping. If you're wondering about creating images for t-shirt designs, this strategy is perfect for that. But don't worry, we're not going to be selling t-shirts in the traditional sense. Stick with me, and I'll explain a much easier business model that doesn't require you to handle physical products at all. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for an Etsy account. Simply head to Google, search for Etsy, and click on the Sign In button. Once you've created your Etsy account, click on Get Started, followed by Let's Do This. Next, you'll want to select the option that says, I'm starting to sell for the first time. From here, just skip through the rest of the setup questions until you reach the part where you start setting up your shop. Now that you're setting up your shop, you'll need to select a language and currency. Since I'm based in the United States, I'm choosing USD for my shop, but feel free to select whatever currency works best for you. After that, it's time to name your shop. I've decided to call mine Design Elites. There's a website called Allura, and it's an extremely useful tool because it allows you to pull data from any Etsy store to see how much they're making. For instance, I pulled up a shop called Epica, which is using the exact loophole I'm about to teach you. From the Allura data, we can see that Epica made $28,896 using this strategy. If you go to Etsy and check out Epica's shop, you'll notice that they're not actually selling t-shirts. Instead, they're selling a pack of 300,000 t-shirt designs as downloadable files. This is the key to the loophole. You're not selling physical t-shirts, you're selling digital files that contain t-shirt designs, which makes this business model much easier and far more scalable. Now let's take a look at another example. There's a seller named Byron who's doing the exact same thing. He's selling t-shirt design packs, and when I entered his store into Allura, I found that he's made $38,700 by selling these downloadable designs. But it doesn't stop there. Another store, selling graphic packs like this, made an astounding $222,450 by offering digital downloadable files. Let's go back to setting up your Etsy store. At this point in the process, Etsy will ask what type of item you're selling. Since we're selling digital files, you'll want to choose the option that says Supply or Tool to make things. When it asks when the item was made, you can select the range 2020 to 2024, as we're creating these items now. After that, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll need to enter a title for your product. A good example would be something like Vintage Retro T-shirt Design Bundle, and make sure to include relevant keywords like PNG files, custom apparel, DIY projects, and digital download. These keywords will help your product appear in Etsy's search results when customers are searching for similar items. Once your listing is ready, it's time to upload the designs. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate ideas for the t-shirt designs. For example, you could ask for a retro illustration of a classic 60s muscle car, and ChatGPT will give you a list of ideas. Then, using a free tool called Leonardo, you can paste in the text prompt from ChatGPT, and it will generate multiple t-shirt designs for you. The great thing about Leonardo is that it's free to use, but there is one limitation. It only allows you to generate 8 images at a time. So, while you can use Leonardo to create your designs, it may take a while to generate a large number of images. If you want to speed up the process, I recommend using a tool like Runway ML. Runway ML allows you to generate up to 1,000 images at once, which can save you a lot of time. Keep in mind that both Leonardo and Runway ML aren't great at generating text within images, so you'll want to avoid any prompts that involve words or phrases in the designs. Once you've generated a good collection of designs, the next step is to organize them in a folder on your computer. After you've organized your designs, you'll upload them to Google Drive. Google Drive is the perfect solution for storing and delivering digital products because it allows you to share large files with ease. Instead of emailing each customer individually, you can simply provide them with a link to your Google Drive folder where they can download the designs after purchasing. Now that your designs are uploaded to Google Drive, you'll need to create a simple Google Doc that contains the download link. Etsy doesn't allow large file uploads directly to their platform, so this Google Doc will act as the bridge between your product listing and the digital files. When someone buys your product, they'll receive the Google Doc, which contains the link to your Google Drive folder where they can download all the designs. This way, you don't have to manually send anything to your customers. Everything is automated, making this a true passive income model. With your Etsy store set up and your digital product ready to go, you can expand this business even further. You're not limited to Etsy. You can sell these digital design packs on other platforms like Redbubble, Zazzle, and even your own website. The more places you offer your products, the more opportunities you have to generate sales. Additionally, if you build relationships with repeat buyers, especially those who run their own t-shirt businesses, you can offer them subscription services. For instance, you could offer a monthly subscription where customers receive new design packs every month for a small fee. In the long run, this method can free up your time for other endeavors. Once your business runs smoothly, you can explore additional revenue streams or even create new digital products to broaden your portfolio. The passive income generated from a single well-run digital product subscription business can serve as a stepping stone to greater financial freedom. So, why wait? Get started today and begin your journey toward creating a sustainable, automated business that earns while you sleep.